Hi everyone, Amanda Saladin here from Love Life Yarn, and today we're going to be learning how to crochet a wide rib. You can find more than 70 free patterns on my blog over at lovelifeyarn.com. This particular swatch we're going to be making is a great stitch pattern to learn. You can use it for washcloths, and I like it as a sweater ribbing. For this particular sample, we're going to use Lion Brand's Comfy Cotton Blend and a size K crochet hook. Let's get started. Okay, I've already started my chain here because this pattern is any multiple of stitches plus 3, and I have done 33 chains. And so now we're going to be double crocheting, and we're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So count down, 3, 4. I like to work in the back of my loops here, so I'm going to work into the 4th chain from the hook. You draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, and draw through the last 2. And that makes a double crochet. Yarn over and then double crochet in the next chain. And we're going to keep working double crochets into each chain until we get to the end. And then we're going to turn. Okay, we've reached the end of our first row of double crochet, and we are ready to turn our work. Okay, so just turn here, and we're ready to work the row that's going to give you that nice ribbed texture. So the first thing you're going to do is single crochet in the first stitch without chaining. Okay, now that's a little different and it feels weird, but just single crochet 1. And now you're going to pull up a loop in the same stitch. So insert your hook in the same stitch and pull up a loop, and then insert into the next stitch. Pull up a loop and draw that loop through those 2. Okay, insert in the same stitch, the next stitch, and draw it through. Keep going all the way this way, just drawing up same stitch, next stitch, and pull it through. Keep going all the way to the very last stitch. Okay, when you get to the last stitch here, you're just going to do a slip stitch into this last one. And then that's just the back you're looking at right here. And go ahead and turn your work. Okay, we're going to turn it. And here's the wide rib, you can see right here. So now we're ready to work some more double crochet. So for row 3, chain 3 at the beginning. Okay, we're going to be working into the back loop only. So you can find the very back, you kind of have to turn it so that you can see this here. And split the stitch and work just in the back loop. So you're going to do a double crochet. And then we're just going to go across the row, working in the back loop only and doing double crochets. And working in just the back loop is going to push the other loops forward, and that's going to give us our rib texture. So you can already see this double row of stitches right here, giving you that nice texture. So go ahead and double crochet in the back loop all the way across. Okay, we're at our last stitch, so we're going to double crochet in this stitch. And then when you work across the other way, you're just going to repeat rows 2 and 3. Okay, you see this nice rib texture right here. And when you turn the work, you'll repeat row 2, where you single crochet and then pull up a loop in that stitch and pull up a loop in the second stitch, pull the loop through, and then you'll work row 3 again, where you're working double crochet in the back loop only. So going back and forth like this will give you this nice texture. Here's the back, so you can see what the back is supposed to look like. But it's super simple and gives you a great texture. Hope you've enjoyed this stitch pattern.